If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. How's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this sell position I have going here. We are in on a fantastic entry with an overall great risk to reward ratio with the time allotted until expiration here. Suitable entry overall presented to us by the market with multiple areas of confluence leading into our entry of this position here. As you can see here on the chart, the overall bearish sentiment is stepping back into this pair, leading me to anticipate a continued move overall despite a short-term pullback present here in the short term. Overall, these multiple areas of confluence stacked in our favor, such as the volume presented here, stepping back into the pair, and this long wick activity to the upside indicating a weak pullback and an overall strongish bearish sentiment overall for this pair here. I will bring you guys back when we are heading into the conclusion of this trade to wrap things up here. Here we are at the conclusion of this trade, another fantastic short-term entry here with a great risk to reward ratio with a great full profit into expiration overall. If you guys want to learn more about how to find these perfect storm trading scenario entries just like you see here in this video, be sure to check out the resources in the description below, where I cover in a multi-video series with my Informed Traders educational package exactly what I look for when entering on positions just like you see here. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard, where we trade on the higher time frames and get in on the action hands-on. If those things sound interesting, guys, definitely be sure to check out the description below. And with that being said, be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more content just like this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have going on the USD JPY pair here. This time we are in on a nice in-the-money position here for a buy position, just looking to capitalize on the short-term momentum to the upside and gain a nice tidy profit here in the short term. A simple and straightforward position here with a fantastic risk to reward ratio for everything that is combined together to present us with this perfect storm trading scenario here. As I often mention, guys, you want to let the market present these perfect storm trading setups for you, not to force a trade or search out for an entry opportunity. You want to allow the markets to bring those positions to you and then capitalize on them accordingly with a proper risk to reward ratio as you see here. So from here, I will go ahead and bring you guys back when we are heading into expiration or taking profits early for this position here. Okay, everyone, so here we are, and as anticipated, we saw this position with a fantastic profit overall. As stated, a straightforward, nice setup there for us, multiple areas of confluence stacked in our favor to garner us a nice entry with the time allotted until expiration there. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more. As stated, this position had multiple areas of confluence, and I actually cover that with the resources in the description below, the top link being the Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering trades, just like you see here, by combining different forms of technical analysis to find these setups. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter or exit a trade within a moment's notice, 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting, then definitely be sure to check out the resources below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start taking these trades together.